What's up guys? Welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to be coding our very own decimal to binary converter with scratch.mid.edu. Now I have made another program with Python, and I've uploaded the video also to YouTube on how to you know uh, make it using Python, like youtube.com. Wait a sec, I'll just switch my accounts over here. Account, go with Yug. Now, if I go to your videos over here and this one is whatever, and you can just open this and see the video right now before seeing this, because I'm going to use a bit of help from this video to make my project. And now if you search for many other things on YouTube, like you find too many complicated programs, and this is very simple. And this can convert only numericals, not text. I'm going to make a video soon on a program for decimal to binary, and that will convert even text. Now here's a sneak peek. If I open this, I run this. Number to be converted. If I say 4, I remember 4 properly, that's why. It will be 100. Your binary is 100. Now adds the 3 digits, it waits for 3 seconds and then goes away. 8 is 1000. Wait for 4 seconds and again it will go away. And if I say 123, you will say this and wait for the number of digits seconds and go away. See? Now the sneak peek is done, and let's get started. Now, before getting started, I just like to say one thing. It doesn't matter whether you're using the web version or the desktop version, which I just showed you over here, but use Scratch 3.0, that's what I suggest. And without further ado, let's get started. Now, first, I've opened my Scratch editor over here. I go to events, Scratch 3.0, and when flag clicked. Now, let's just create a function over here, and I'm going to run this without screen refresh, and this function is going to be called deck2bin. This is the same thing I did even in my, the other video, and this is called number. Okay, let's just drag this aside for now. For now, we're going to be using this later. And now we're going to ask a question over here. The question will be a, let's say, yeah, what number do you want to convert, oops, from decimal to binary? And I forgot to put the question mark at the end. And then we'll create a variable over here. I want to delete this my variable over here. I'm going to call this variable, let's say, number or num. And I'm going to store the answer in num. Set num to answer, and then we'll call this deck2bin function over here, and I'm going to set this to num over here. I'm just doing this so that it looks neater. Or else you can do is just go directly over here, set this to answer. That's also one alternative, but I'm doing this like this because later on, moving forward, we are going to make another step wherein we'll be needing this variable over here. Now I'll create a list called bits and another variable called a function, that's func, and num. That means the number which the number we will be using over here in this function. And this number over here we will be using to test a totally different thing. Anyways, the only thing I need visible right now is funcnum and bits. And so I can just hide this num over here. I have done that. Now we ignore this and go to our define deck to bin. Okay, now what we have to do over here is set function number to number, and this number which you drag over here. And unfortunately, unlike Python, wherein you can just do just a second tutorials point, well, I don't want the editor, I want a Python editor. Come on. Never mind. Python online editor. Oops, sorry. I kept on searching these kind of stuff because, like I told in my previous videos, my VS Code was not working. Now it's working. That's good for me. Anyways, unlike this, if I do def deck whatever the blah 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 whatever n, I can use this n over here, n equal to whatever. But now I can't do that in Scratch. I need to create another variable totally. Now we'll be needing to delete every single thing of the list bits. And now what I'm going to do is we are going to run a loop over here, repeat until not uh, repeat until not mm, yeah, funcnum is greater than 0. So it must be equal to 0 or smaller to 0. So let me just zoom a little bit. Now what we are going to do is um, we are going to add few things to our funcnum over here. And what we'll do over here is we will add the a mod number over here. Where's the mod function? Yeah, here. Mod funcnum mod 2. And now what we are going to do is we are going to set the funcnum to the floor of, it shows apps over here, but if we click this we get many options, and I'm going to go select floor over here. Floor of it's a division this time. I'll duplicate this. Funcnum by 2. Now if I run this function over here, 4, we get 100, and that's exactly what we need, but in the like reverse order. And if I show you this over here, then if I do 4, the binary is 100, and that's what we need. But we need the cat to say it, and this to come in a funcnum over here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a variable called binary. We'll set binary to nothing, and this is outside the loop, remember that much. Then I'm going to create another variable called lenbits. Lenbits, and I can hide funcnum now. Yeah, I can. I need binary and this bits variable, I mean list over here. I'm going to set lembits to the length of the binary, sorry, bits over here. I tried this with exactly the length of bits also, but it didn't work, so I'm just doing it. And now we're going to create a loop over here, repeat len bits time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to um, set our binary to join binary and a yeah, item of bits. Now when we did 4 over here, we got 100. We have to reverse this thing and then we can do item 1 of bits. But how about if we do the length of it, then we get the last digit. So if I do length of bits and then delete length of bits, that will be the last digit. To delete the item length of bits, that's the last digit, that will be 1. And then the same thing will happen and continuously once again. Now if I do this, just let's see what happens. 4, it says it's 100 over here, 100. How cool is that, guys? And good if you have followed till here. Very good, proud of you. Now we are going to go into looks. Don't know why they put in looks over here, but never mind. We are going to say join. Where's join? Yeah, here. Your binary answer is space, and then over here we are going to put binary. Now we can hide this over here, even this. And let's give a try with 4 over here. 4, yeah. Answer is 100. How cool is that, guys? Just like the same one. But as we did in the old one, it was a repeated loop. That's what we want over here. Now we're going to put a forever loop over here. And mm, oh yeah, over here, FR. It's not for 2 seconds. It's going to be length of binary seconds. How cool is that, guys? Forever loop is added over here. And I don't think we need to do that num thing now. You can just delete this variable num or whatever you want and just do this. It's preferred to do the other way, which I'm currently doing. And guys, what do you think? I saw a tutorial on YouTube before also. I did this, and after that I saw like the person was adding too many things. I'm not going to say that the tutorial was bad or anything. It was good. He did a very good thing. But I don't want to put the link in the description because that thing was too complicated and I don't think you guys would have understood it. So you can just see this and the this is one of the simplest way. So how's that, guys? If I there's a full screen and run this 400, it waits for 3 seconds. 8,000. 123. It's that. So I think I should stop this now, and if I go to the project page, I'll just change this to decimal to binary converter YouTube video link in notes and credits. That's it for today, guys. Now wait, I forgot one thing. Oops, yeah, I forgot one thing. Now the link to this project will be given in the description. You can anytime come here, view it, and use it. What else you can do to support us is open this link over here, Scratch. You can follow me over here. Just click on the top right thing over here, or open YouTube, youtube.com. Type over here code with Yug. Everything should be in capital. Okay, not this. Don't ignore this. His videos are too complicated, but I don't disgrace it. Open this and subscribe to this, please. What else you can do is again open YouTube over here. Type Talent Express. And this is my other channel which has 4 subscribers right now, and this is my only video. Oh, and as I walk, like you can just see it, and I'm wearing a mask in this because I might do a face reveal on the channel. So what else you can do? Open GitHub, github.com, and open my profile. And this is my profile. You can follow me over here. Now what else you can do is too many. What else you can do is okay. Where else was my account on? Let's say Control T. Yog Shikhar on Scratch. You can also type this is and the first link you get. Now these are my followers and other people. Nothing much. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. This is only Yukshik on Scratch right now. Wait, let me remove this. Be sure to check out all of these games over here. And if you want to access few of the multiplayer games over here, you need to have a Scratch account for at least 3 months. Mark my words, please. Now you can also for the pairs matching game. I'm going to teach this also in few of my next videos. Like it's awesome. It even tells you how much time you took literally. This was I think here. Yeah. This can create wonders. You took 40 seconds. Not bad. And there you are. To the end of this video, which is going to be one of my shortest videos till now, I guess. These are all my projects. Be sure to view them all, and if you have a Scratch account, please like them and share them with your friends and follow me on this. Thank you guys. Meet you again later in another video with what? With all the energy you can expect. Bye.